Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, update to my barley. Look, it's ready to drink. Or what you will do, just pick up the small leaves and then wash, and then after direct it. That is my husband doing. He will pick up some, I think 6 pieces like this. He will pick up and then wash it and then direct put in the mouth. Or else you can also direct with the like this half. You can make a blender and then you have already barley juice fresh. Diba? Imagine guys, I have now fresh barley. It's ready and very healthy. You try guys. See? Look at the very healthy barley. It's very easy. My husband already ate this one guys. Okay, we'll make sample for my husband. Become eat be. He just now came. This is very yummy this one guys. See here, there's also a small one. And then all is very bulky and then very fresh. In my area in the Philippines, we do like this guys. In the Philippines, my mom also take the barley packet. And then I think 100 pesos. 100 pesos in one packet as per for my sister. But now here, only you can plant and easy to drink it. Barley. Now say my monkey now. Eat now, try be. Pick up and then let them show do how to.
Need to wash, no?
That's why you collect and then after wash. They eat now.
Where's the cutter?
No cutter, you cut by your hands. And now he will. And then here guys, my coriander leaves. And then a lot of tomatoes, mangoes, tomato, and then see my coriander leaves. Not yet put the water. Coriander leaves, onion, garlic, and then now my tomato. They have too much tomato that it's already now the flower is growing now guys. And then this all tomatoes I need to transfer now guys. Oh, my husband is pick up. I want to show you. He's pick up now and then after he will eat. No need to remove because after that they will grow. He will wash and then after guys he will eat directly, or else you can collect all, not all small amounts, and then you can do a blender and then make it a juice. Now let's wait guys. He's doing washing and then he will come back. He will make guam. And then here also I have lots of tomatoes to be transferred. Ang dami na guys. Oh, malalaki. It's a giant tomato. And then oh my god, may ano kamote. To this one guys, I need to transfer. I make ready already. And then here also my tomato with the flower na guys. Now my husband is ready to eat. Show first the barley. Now this is now sample. Oh, hi guys. Oh, see now. Oh, like that guys. He wash and then direct in the mouth and then put it in the big tummy. See? Finish. He eat already. Yummy? What the taste? Grass. It's yummy. Really? Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and then comment. Thank you so much. Be kind. Namaste. Dari danabat. Wait. Don't bite me. That's right. Small, push small. Otherwise, you will bite me. No. Give me the thing.
Layo tira. Pwede sa'yo. Wala hindi pa ito. Oh.
That's for you.
Hold on, I'm not kidding.
Where I put?
In the back here.
La, okay. You will pick up Sophia? You call Sweecar? No, my husband go already. Very sunny here, guys. See my chicken I give them. Vegetables. Kapay, guys. Kumusta ang lahat? How are you all? I cut the leaves so that I can give to my chicken.